It is truly amazing that by having a concrete strategy in trading with Olymp Trade platform, we are dealing with live trading session here, with profitable trades by using RSI signal indicator. Take a look at my previous trades, with a lot of good trading confirmation coming from our MetaTrader 4 system. We also got lost, but it is tolerable, since we got already winning on most trades. Make sure to deal with normal currencies, and trade on ending hours of the market. What's good with the RSI Alert Indicator, is it helps us find reliable trend by concurrent market. With its advanced algorithm that detects live market flows and trigger high and low, creating an alert trend signals. We already attached our RSI to our MetaTrader 4 and with tradable current pairs. We adjust slight RSI settings to get the best results and make more winnings than losses. Make sure to have RSI period at 23. Overbought level into 60, and oversold level into 40. At our MetaTrader chart, we can see the RSI charting method with a very good result. We got an alert coming from our MetaTrader 4. AUD, JPY as sell alert, and also for our Euro USD. Let's trade for it and go for sell. We only use the 1 minute purchase time period. Another trading confirmation here. GBP, JPY, a sell alert. Then let's execute going lower. Got good trading result from our previous trade. AUD, JPY comes for a win. Also our Euro, USD, a good trading result. Euro, JPY, has sell alert notification. We will follow the signal and go for lower. Download the RSI Alert Indicator now, and become a successful 1 minute trader.